Hello guys, there we have a dishwasher Electrolux ESM64840SX and welcome on all alarm code overview video. So the first code is a I20, the possible cause and solution. Make sure that the sink spigot is not clogged. Make sure that the interior filter system is not clogged. Make sure that drain hose has no kinks or bends. The next code is I30. Close the water tap, make sure the appliance is correctly installed, make sure the baskets are loaded as instructed in the user manual. The next codes is from the I41 to I44. Make sure the filters are clean, switch the appliance off and on. The next code is from the I51 to I59 or I5A to I5F. Switch the appliance off and on. The next code is I61 or I69. That means the temperature of the water inside the appliance is too high or malfunction of the temperature sensor occurred. Possible case and solution. Make sure that the temperature of inlet water does not exceed 60 degrees Celsius. Switch the appliance off and on. The next code IC0 or IC3 means the technical malfunction of the appliance. Try to switch off and on your device. The code IF1 means the level of water inside the appliance is too high. Switch the appliance off and on. Make sure the filters are clean. Make sure the outlet hose is installed at the right height above the floor. Refer to the installation instructions. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.